Every morning, Maryse and her daughter Lovely set up shop in front of their house in a suburb of the capital of Haiti. Maryse was able to open her small business thanks to the support of Handicap International. The organisation has been working alongside her since the 2010 earthquake. At least 200,000 people were killed and 300,000 injured in the earthquake. Maryse's leg was crushed by one of the walls of her house. The only solution was an amputation.
Je me demandais avec quoi je vais recommencer ma vie. Parfois, je sommeille, je ne peux même pas dormir. Je pense trop. J'ai peur de dormir.
With help from Handicap International's teams, Maryse received the care she needed and a prosthesis and started out her long road to recovery.
J'ai envie de remarcher, même si ce n'est pas la même vie qui va recommencer, mais quand même, je sais que la vie continue.
Today, the prosthesis has become indispensable for Maryse.
C'est ça qui m'aide à revivre comme je vis maintenant. Si je n'avais pas la prothèse, je disais toujours dans ma tête qu'est-ce que j'allais devenir.
5 years after the earthquake, she has a smile back on her face. The shop allows her to provide for her family, and she's optimistic about the future.